We're gonna check out. Bitter out here today. Woo, it's cold, boy. I came up here to get to the warm, but it is what it is. We're gonna boot it right back down. It's gonna take about 15 minutes to get back down here. So this is a 30-minute run. Nothing too major, real simple and real easy. Next time we're gonna run it up with a little bit more. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I love it all right here. Woo. Yeah. Oh, booting it back down, man. It's kind of scary going back down, but we gonna make it happen. Woo, shit. Woo. Gotta follow that yellow brick road though. Oh, downhill. Woo. Woo. Oh boy. Real rough terrain. Let's get it. Woo, footwork gotta be on point. Woo. That was a quick 30 minutes. Quick 30. Let's cut that down to 20 next time. Maybe even 15. We're pushing it up. Let's get it. Real legs, real tight. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get it. We got that one in, you dig? We booted all the way up, got that 5 out the way. Now, it's time for some recharging, bro. Tired. My body all the way maxed out, man. But we about to boot up with it. Tired, man.